Somewhere, a bald eagle soars in the sky, and horses still run wild. Warner Brothers and Morgan Creek present Jonathan Taylor Thomas, Devon Sawa, Scott Bairstow, for three brothers.
Dad, I've decided I'm gonna go on the road and film animals.
I'm going too.
Who dared to do more than dream.
Eagles, snakes, fish, whatever's getting killed off.
People want to see them before they're gone, Dad.
The adventure of a lifetime
Get out of here.
is about to begin.
Are your brothers taking good care of you? Are you being careful?
Safety first, Mom. That's our motto.
Wild America.